Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm partnering with Japanesque to show you how to create this super soft and pretty gradient manicure at home. Before applying color, every manicure should start with precision prep. It's the secret to a long-lasting manicure. Just like a salon manicure, the more meticulous the prep, the longer your manicure will last. Japanesque has a great line of nail tools created for at-home manicures. Today, I'm using their Essentials Mani Pedi Kit, which has everything you need for an at-home mani. So let's get started. First, trim your nails so they are the length and shape that you want. Make sure to clip at an angle on each side first instead of straight on to prevent any damage. Next, shape the nails with a file. This file is very easy to use. I also recommend filing in one direction only, since filing quickly back and forth can cause damage. Cuticle care is probably the most important part of prep. Getting the cuticle area really clean and free of skin helps prevent polish from peeling or lifting from the base of the nail. Be super careful to never cut living skin, since it can become infected if cut. Using a quality nipper is important at this step. This Japanesque nipper has hand-sharpened blades for clean, precise removal. The final step is to dehydrate the nail with rubbing alcohol or remover. This will eliminate oils and other debris that can cause lifting. Now onto the design. First, apply a base coat. Next, go in with the gray polish for the base color. Border the nail with tape to help protect the skin. Now take the gray polish along with light pink and darker pink shades and apply them diagonally onto a makeup sponge, making sure the two pink shades are between the gray color. Then sponge onto the nail with a light dabbing motion. Repeat the previous steps, adding more polish onto the sponge and sponging again until you get the desired gradient effect. Remove the tape and clean up any excess polish with a brush or cotton swab and remover. Finally, apply a top coat to protect your manicure and give it a nice glossy finish. Also, don't forget to cap the free edge to help prevent chipping. And that's it for these pretty gradient nails. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.